Hi, I'm Jadal. Are you spending a lot of money doing Facebook ads but not getting the right traffic or sales and wasting your time? You may not be targeting your target audience properly or researching your ad properly, and there are Facebook ad strategies that you are not following. The most important aspect of an advertisement is to create high-quality content, research the target audience and publish at the right time, and manage it well. The way I offer my services to you is by doing a lot of research and using strategies through advertising. Likewise, I will help you to target your right target audience and set up your ad with research and lots of strategies and manage your ad properly for free. This will make it easy for you to get the best traffic and sales at a low cost. I have been working in digital marketing and social media advertising for the past 4 years with proof. And share any problem you have with us. I will make it easy for you to grow and manage your business. Please contact us for any problem. Description link or direct message to Whatapps number or page. Thank you.